How much driving have you done in this thing?
All right, we've got the Audi TT Exo Car. Today, we're going to be building a cardboard shell.
We're gonna take this on a 100-mile-per-hour run.
And we're gonna see if we can make this thing look even more badass than what it does right now. All right, let's go get some more cardboard because this is all that we've scrapped together in the past few weeks from Amazon and shipments. We need to go to the cardboard supplier, so we're gonna head out right now.
We're not going into dumpsters, are we calling?
Why would people throw this away? All right, we're canceling this video and we're just gonna start selling boxes. I got it all. You need some ball boxes? I got them. You need the U-Hauls? I got them. Yo, protein shake, $1.99. Come on, baby, get in here. Let's go.
So to start the night off, Ian and I started working on the front of the car, tackling the hood, and I started wrapping the fenders, and Ian was working on the front splitter. It's going to be nearly impossible to make this symmetrical, and while that seems pretty obvious, we didn't really think about that. Now, Ian started working on this giant splitter, and by the looks of it, it seemed destined to get ripped off the first second we were driving, so stay tuned to the end to see if it actually survives. And before we knew it, Mike showed up and he started working on the super inspired hood scoop and then quickly started working towards the rear spoiler because that was going to require the most ingenuity out of all of this build. I started working on the rear quarter panels and man, this was a cool shape for the car and it added a lot of definition over that rear tire that I think I'm missing.
Yeah, let me tell you about this fender. So I did it once with 3 pieces and then I pulled those pieces off and I'm doing it with a single template now. And while I messed with this one single fender here, Mike built the whole back half of the car.
That ties in the spoiler
What are you doing, Colin?
I want to know if the engine sounds any different now that it actually has a hood on it for the first time ever. I don't know if it's actually going to even start up. The battery was almost dead. Oh, come on. Yeah. Sounds like a 180. I really like the front end, guys. This is like, every time I look at it, I'm like, oh shit, this could actually be a car if I wanted it to. Oh man. All right.
That's what you get when you hire
Enjoy.
the best,
Okay, time to cut out parts on the laser, and I think we're missing one important thing on this cardboard race car, and that is to have a roof, I don't know what you want to call it, maybe like a roof dorsal fin, but we need something to let you know that it's a full race. Boom. All right, so here's the roof spoiler. I cut it in a way that I could just open these flaps up so I have something to tape it down to, and oh boy, does that look good. Does that look good? Look at that. Wow. That looks nasty. No more cardboard color. We're going fire engine red. Time to roll. All right, we got the logos hot glued on the side of the car on both sides, and I think we're ready. I'm gonna call the boys back together tomorrow. We're gonna get some sunshine, and then we're gonna go try to get up to 100 miles per hour, and we're gonna see what flies off first on this cardboard body kit.
All right, the day has finally come. We've got the Audi TT ready and it is fully painted. We have been working on getting the cameras. We've got our action camera set up here. We got Mike back in the shop for the day. Joe on the camera. Sony set up here on the A-pillar. We got the rooster roof and we're ready to go. Oh boy. This is so stupid. This is ridiculous. Oh God. Look at oh no. Oh, there's God. So much movement already. It just keeps going. Yeah. We haven't burned. How did that stay on the whole time?
It's got a little crease in it, but that's okay.
It's okay.
I caught some leaves.
Oh boy. The moment of truth.
What a ridiculous thing.
You know how much this is like free fun. We paid.
I know.
We paid literally for nothing. The only thing we did was
zip ties and tape, maybe, but
yeah.
like.
I mean, went dumpster diving, and
yeah.
I had a lot of fun doing that alone. Like, I would
right.
do that again.
You can do this as many times as you want. Change the style up. We'll see what works, what doesn't. You know.
It's actually not that bad. I mean, this has inspired me a lot for that rear quarter panel.
Yeah.
Because I love the way that looks.
And I think, like, if you're strategic with the cardboard, you can get it to hang on for a while. Like a little more tape and stuff. Like,
yeah.
You could probably just like rock it for a summer. Yeah. Figure out if it's what you want. If you want to make more stuff. That's a little frightening.
Dude, this is straight up Widowmaker right here.
Yeah, I know.
This is like in Final Destination. When you see what's gonna kill you, it's that.
It's that. It's a chunk of cardboard to the throat.
All right. Shall we?
We shall.
That is insane that did not fly
up.
Still
have everything?
We have everything. Oh my God. I don't think I've been more scared in my life.
That was terrifying.
That was terrifying. All right, we're gonna take off for the second run. We're gonna try to get up to 100 this time. All right.
Here we go. Put cardboard in the face.
Let's go. Oh my God!
How ridiculous.
Oh my God!
We're way too good at cardboarding.
That is so unexpected. How? I'm speechless. I am fucking speechless. That was insane.
The whole time just
right.
hovering.
All right, so we just got this car up to close to 100. It was probably in the low to mid 90s.
Yeah.
And one of the scariest things about this is when we're sitting there, all we see is this lifting up and this guillotine right at neck level. Like,
very uncomfortable. We lost a half of this, right? There were two sides?
There were, yeah, it was two sides. They were kind of glued together.
Yeah.
I think this was the only thing.
This just flipped up. Like, it was like that.
Yeah, it was down. Oh, it's actually still good.
Yeah.
If we just zip tied that would have probably been good.
Yeah.
But look at this, like.
Yeah, rugged.
100%.
Still just as rugged.
I think it felt faster with it.
Yeah.
This feels good right now.
Yeah.
It's got some good pickup.
Yeah.
I mean, it's stock, but.
I have no baseline. I haven't been in it.
Yeah,
definitely
I
feels
think everything
faster
feels
when
faster.
When it's scarier.
It's scary. It's fast. It's open chassis though.
Yeah.
But tonight, I mean, this I call mission successful. I think.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, we didn't hit the 100-mile-per-hour we're aiming for, but we came close enough, and it was scary enough that that's a win all day.
And we didn't really lose anything.
We didn't lose. We could have done 100.
completely fine.
Yeah.
Like 5 miles per hour wasn't going to change the outcome on this test.
Yeah.
So we need to get a little crazier next time.
We can do that.
So
we can definitely do that.
What do you think about like back here? I think tonight, let's rip off this entire body kit. I think we need to maybe spice it up a little bit out of the tailpipe.
All right, a little spicier.
Yeah, we'll get some diesel, injection system. I want like a 50-foot flame.
Okay.
I want to set some type of record for the biggest flamethrower exhaust in a passenger car ever. Like I want it to look like one of the jet trucks at a drag strip.
Man, those are so good.
Yeah. And let's light it up tonight.
Okay.
Maybe we can get that bench test done. Let's see if we can get some type of
poking around
flame
with that
tonight.
a little bit. Yeah, see where we can get.
Yeah.
Proof of concept.
Proof
at
of
least.
concept. And then maybe we can see if we can stuff all that into the exhaust tips and get a flamethrower exhaust.
All right.
Awesome.
Let's do it.
Appreciate you guys staying with us. We're going to be doing tons of modifications on this Audi TT, and it's just going to get even more ridiculous. So keep following, like, and subscribe, and thanks again for joining. Bye-bye.